finishes. The journey of premium toothpaste begins.
Every step is precision and care.
Our journey begins with the careful collection of animal bones from trusted sources, ensuring quality raw materials.
Experienced hands select only the best bones for processing.
Strict quality checks ensure only premium raw materials enter the supply chain.
Transporting raw materials promptly preserves their integrity. The quality of raw bones is critical for producing effective toothpaste base materials. At the facility, raw materials are carefully prepared for the next stage.
Advanced tracking systems provide transparency and traceability.
With raw materials secured, the journey to toothpaste production begins.
Raw animal bones undergo thorough cleaning to remove impurities and prepare them for drying. High-pressure jets ensure every bone is meticulously cleaned.
Operators maintain optimal cleaning conditions to protect material quality.
Cleaned bones are transported carefully for drying and preparation.
Controlled drying reduces moisture to preserve bone quality.
Continuous monitoring ensures optimal drying conditions.
Inspection guarantees only quality bones proceed to crushing.
Detailed records maintain transparency and quality control.
Regular maintenance keeps equipment running efficiently and hygienically.
With cleaning and drying complete, bones are ready for crushing and extraction.
Dried bones are crushed into fine fragments, the first step in extracting valuable calcium phosphate.
Crushed fragments are transported for purification and refining.
High-powered crushers ensure efficient and consistent fragmentation. Purification removes contaminants, ensuring high-quality calcium phosphate.
Advanced filtration technology guarantees purity and safety.
The extracted calcium phosphate forms the base material for toothpaste production.
Continuous monitoring ensures optimal extraction efficiency.
Regular quality checks maintain product consistency and safety. Detailed records ensure traceability and compliance.
With calcium phosphate extracted and purified, the journey to toothpaste production continues.
Purification and refining transform raw calcium phosphate into a high-quality toothpaste base.
Advanced filtration ensures purity and safety.
Continuous monitoring guarantees optimal refining conditions.
Chemical treatments refine the material to meet strict industry standards.
Rigorous testing maintains product consistency.
The purified base material is ready for formulation.
Detailed records ensure traceability and compliance.
Regular maintenance keeps refining systems operating efficiently. Careful packaging preserves the material's quality during shipment. With purification complete, the toothpaste base is ready for formulation and mixing.
The preparation of abrasives, binders, and active ingredients is crucial for effective toothpaste formulation.
Abrasives provide the cleaning power, carefully measured for safety and effectiveness. Binders ensure the toothpaste maintains the right texture and consistency.
Active ingredients provide therapeutic benefits, carefully incorporated into the formula.
Quality control ensures every ingredient meets strict standards.
Precise documentation guarantees consistency and traceability.
Industrial mixers combine ingredients to create a homogeneous toothpaste base.
Regular testing ensures the base meets formulation requirements.
Prepared base is stored safely, ready for flavoring and final blending. With ingredients prepared, the toothpaste formulation moves to the next phase.
In the mixing facility, carefully prepared ingredients are blended to create a uniform toothpaste base.
Powerful mixers homogenize the formula, creating a smooth and effective toothpaste base.
Precise ingredient addition ensures consistency and quality.
Continuous monitoring maintains optimal mixing conditions. Regular sampling ensures the mixture meets strict quality standards. Advanced technology ensures every batch is perfectly blended.
Homogenization creates a consistent texture, enhancing product performance.
The finished base is stored safely, ready for flavoring and packaging.
Regular maintenance keeps equipment running efficiently and reliably.
With mixing complete, the toothpaste base moves to flavoring and final formulation.
Flavoring, whitening, and additives are carefully blended to enhance the toothpaste's effectiveness and appeal.
Precise measurement ensures consistent taste and aroma.
Whitening agents are formulated to brighten smiles safely and effectively. Continuous monitoring ensures precise blending and quality control. Additives provide therapeutic benefits and product stability.
Regular testing guarantees flavor consistency and safety.
Blended toothpaste is transported carefully for final processing. Samples are regularly tested to maintain premium standards. Regular maintenance keeps blending equipment running smoothly.
With flavoring and additives blended, the toothpaste moves to vacuum deaeration and texture control.
Vacuum deaeration removes unwanted air bubbles, ensuring a smooth and consistent toothpaste texture.
Under vacuum, trapped air is gently extracted to improve product quality.
Precise control of vacuum pressure ensures consistent texture.
Texture control equipment refines the toothpaste for smoothness and spreadability.
Advanced homogenization technology guarantees a perfect blend.
Regular testing ensures every batch meets texture standards.
Finished toothpaste is stored safely, ready for packaging.
Regular maintenance keeps equipment running efficiently and reliably.
Strict safety measures protect workers and ensure product quality.
With deaeration and texture perfected, the toothpaste is ready for final quality testing and packaging.
Ensuring the highest quality and safety standards is at the heart of our toothpaste production. Samples are meticulously prepared to detect any impurities or contaminants.
Cutting-edge technology ensures every batch meets strict chemical safety standards.
Microbial testing guarantees the toothpaste is safe for consumers.
Comprehensive documentation ensures traceability and regulatory compliance.
Collaborative review drives continuous quality improvement.
Only products meeting our rigorous standards proceed to packaging.
Final sensory tests ensure the perfect taste and texture.
Our state-of-the-art filling line ensures every tube is filled accurately and efficiently. Precision filling maintains product consistency and quality.
Clear labeling and coding ensure traceability and brand recognition.
Automated quality checks guarantee every tube meets our strict standards.
Sealing locks in freshness, protecting the toothpaste until it reaches consumers.
Skilled operators ensure smooth operation and immediate response to any issues. Finished tubes are transported efficiently for final storage and shipment.
Careful handling ensures products reach customers in perfect condition.
Our premium toothpaste begins its journey to markets around the world.
Finally, our premium toothpaste reaches consumers, ready to brighten smiles worldwide.
From raw materials to the final tube, every step reflects our dedication to quality, safety, and innovation.
Tap subscribe